Yo, check it out.
Right, get some rest. Whoa. We're gonna do some spooky. Maybe it's live.
Well.
Basically, I just tied my hair at the top because like I wasn't bothered to find out a hairstyle, and like if I did, it was probably going to come out as Ariana Grande's, probably, and I do that hairstyle quite a lot. And this is a party. Let me be a bit. I don't know. Onto the makeup. Oh wait, this is my dress, by the way. It's not like a dress. It's like a short. It's shorts, but like. Wait, what was that quid again?
Day 2, day 3.
I forgot. Onto the makeup. Hey, sorry about like the other clips, like the background. I'm kind of moving out. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm on the screen or not. And I'm just screaming over the video. Thank you, Paul Zimmer. This time I'm actually going to start doing the makeup, which I don't really feel comfortable about because I know I'm going to suck. Yeah, I'm going to start with eyeliner, which is shit. I can't find eyeliners that are like waterproof and stuff, so. I'm not going to do like a wing because, wait, maybe I might after I put on the eyelashes, because eyelashes are already going to make it look like I have that. It's my first time putting on eyelashes, and I'm going to go and watch a movie. Is that going to help? I don't know, but yeah. I'm the best person like in the planet. Basically, I'm using Jumbo eye pencil. Basically, I'm sorry if you can't see me because of my mirror, but I kind of have to use it. By NYX. So just like put dots for the whiskers. Basically, I'm just gonna do dot there, a dot there, but the dots are too big. So basically, I'm not using this. I am, you know. So you know the whiskers where you're going to apply. Basically, apply it to those bits so that the whiskers don't look that bad. Yep. Unlike your face, which is going to look really bad. A little tip, when your face is really red, don't put on this Jumbo eye pencil because it's going to look like crap. Yay. Onto the whiskers. I have blue lens, but I can't put them on. I'm scared, so I ain't gonna put lens on, and I'm gonna watch a movie, so that's not gonna help. This isn't helping, I'm just making a huge mess. I look like a warrior. Now it's time to like fix it. Is this okay? Nope, it's not. Yeah, this seriously didn't work out. To put it on the eyelashes. Kind of my first time putting on eyelashes, and this is how my eyelash looks. How do we open this? How do we open this? How do we open that? It doesn't say how to open it. Oh my god! It ruined my nail varnish. It's not meant to be this hard. Everyone does it every day. I think they're gonna show it. Put on. Yeah, I can't put it on. Great. So that's how you do it. Yeah. Complete the look. It's going in my eye. This worked.